Welcome to my weekly series, Minimalism versus Maximalism, where you can join me on my journey of analyzing an item or a category, and then I discover how it fits my lifestyle. And then maybe you can analyze your stuff and figure out how it fits your life. What I've learned so far, minimalism, less is more. Maximalism, more is more. Let's do rags. Oh boy, here we go. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 40, 70, 100, 130.
Would there ever be a situation I would need 150 rags? I think no. We have old towels for big cleanup. Old shirts, kitchen towels, bath towels that get stained or ripped can also be cut up. We have 2 people in this household. I might use 3 or 4 per week.
I sorted by size and then material, then by keep or donate. I have a bag of painter's rags that I can give away.
And that's my trash pile over there. It's important to remember to ask yourself, what's the overall goal here? I want to be mindful and intentional with the stuff that I have and how often I use it or think I need it. I think going into this bin with folded stacks of towels versus digging and trying to find the one I want is going to be a better experience for me. Total number of rags, 11 regular and about 20 little mini ones. So we're at 31 out of 150. How about you? How many rags do you have?